In this video, we listed the 5 best garden scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Goplus Garden Cart. The Goplus Garden Cart is designed for outdoor use with a focus on durability and functionality. It features a powder-coated steel frame and heavy-duty components, ensuring a robust structure capable of supporting up to 330 pounds. The cart includes practical storage solutions such as a removable mesh basket at the back and a tool tray under the seat, enhancing efficiency during gardening tasks. Its 10-foot, inflated rubber tires provide stability and prevent slipping, complemented by an extendable steering handle for easy maneuverability. The ergonomic seat can be adjusted in height, 19 to 21 foot, and rotates 360 degrees, offering comfort and convenience for extended periods of use. Assembly is straightforward with all necessary accessories included, making it suitable for various garden and utility applications. Number 2. Miracle-Gro 4-in-1 Stool. The Miracle-Gro 4-in-1 outdoor garden stool and storage cart offers a versatile solution for gardening enthusiasts. Its dimensions of 11.4 inches deep, 23 inches wide, and 10.6 inches high make it compact yet functional. Made from durable plastic in blue, green, and yellow, it combines a sturdy frame with a comfortable seat and a spacious inner bin with locking sides for tool storage. The cart includes easy rolling wheels and a soft foam kneeling pad, catering to various gardening needs while reducing strain on the back and knees. Weatherproof and UV protected, it promises durability and includes a bonus pair of Scott's gardening gloves, enhancing both comfort and functionality in the garden. Number 3. AMES Buddy Garden Cart. The AMES plastic garden cart offers practicality and convenience with dimensions of 26.5 inches in diameter, 15 inches in width, and 14 inches in height, featuring a versatile brown color scheme. Its standout feature includes an adjustable height, making it adaptable for various tasks. The cart doubles as a seat with its fold-down handle, while 3 compartments and a removable tray provide ample storage for tools and equipment. Mold clips facilitate easy carrying of long-handled tools, complemented by 4 solid wheels with steel axles that ensure smooth transportation. Moreover, arriving fully assembled, this cart boasts a spacious 2 cubic foot capacity, making it a robust choice for garden and yard work. Number 4. Rolling Garden Cart. The Pure Garden Cart combines practical functionality with ergonomic design, serving as both a sturdy garden stool and a convenient rolling cart. Crafted from durable polypropylene and metal, it features a removable side and boasts a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, ideal for outdoor tasks like gardening, painting, and cleaning. Its 6-inch wheels and dual handles ensure easy maneuverability across various terrains. The cart's spacious interior and removable tool tray provide ample storage for gardening essentials, enhancing efficiency and comfort during gardening and other household chores. Number 5. Pure Garden VY021 Cart. The Pure Garden Cart scooter with seat is designed to enhance comfort and efficiency for gardening and various household tasks. It features a lightweight plastic frame with sturdy 3-inch wheels that maneuver smoothly on most surfaces. This rolling stool offers relief from back and knee strain during gardening, while its durable construction ensures longevity in diverse weather conditions. Additionally, it includes a convenient tool tray under the seat for easy access to gardening tools or other necessities. With a weight limit of 200 pounds and dimensions suited for practical use, this versatile cart is an essential companion for gardening enthusiasts and DIY projects alike.